I just received my LED lights. I'm very excited about these. So this part can actually come off, so it'll be easier to install. Pretty cool. Little fan in the back. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's see what it looks like in the daylight. There you go, you can see a little bit. You can see how yellow these are. So I'm gonna have to remove this this piece, which I believe is like a snorkel for the air filter housing. I'm gonna have to take this piece off, lift it up, and yep, little tiny clip. We'll pop that one out. There, and it just lifts up easy. Now I should have plenty of room to get the wire off. So these are good quality bulbs, actually, made in Japan. So yeah, I'm gonna save these. This little mount comes off, so basically turn it like 90 or 180 degrees and it just slides off. And this is how we're gonna put in the flat part on the bottom. Right that way. I think I have it the right way in. Alright, got the rubber there. Alright, so now we're gonna slide this guy in the hole and turn it to lock it in place. It's plugged in over there. Oh yeah, look how much brighter that is. That is cool. Oh hell yeah, look at that. Look how yellow these things are. Wow, I love it. So this other side will be a little easier since we don't have to take anything. I'm just gonna take this fuse cover off, so I have a little bit extra room for my hand. It looks like a little bit of corrosion, but that's actually the old dielectric grease turning a little bit yellowish. So it's all good. All right, so now the rubber, the dust cover. So we're gonna twist it. Getting my small finger on the one tab. See that tab? And then my index finger on the other tab, or my thumb actually, and turning, and it just comes off. There you go, it came off. We'll get this guy out. Gotta find that clip. There we go. This clip was on this side, on the inner side. So I push, pull to the side slightly, and lift up. Lift it all the way out of the way, so the bulb has a place to come out. And now the bulb easily comes off. Might be a good idea to practice taking this ring out and putting it back in a few times, so you know exactly what to do when you have this in place, so that you can slide it in the ring much easier. So I already twisted 180 degrees and now it's slowly coming off. Nice. All right, same story. Make sure the clip is out of the way. Flat part down. The bulb goes in here. Right now the steel clip is not in the right spot, and it's just a little hard sometimes to get it in the right place. I am struggling a little bit, to be honest, but hold on, I think I got it. All right, the rubber cover is in place. It twisted in quite nicely. All right, this guy, the bulb just slide in and the cable is facing up. If you guys are having little issues, let's put the bulb in there. You see that? The cable is facing up. And now I should be able to twist the bulb clockwise to secure it. Now it's in place. And the cable is facing down. Hell yeah. I love it. Looks pretty bright. Definitely a lot brighter. Much wider. And the sign illumination is so much better.